Well, welcome back to Ignited Minds. I am back again with one very small trick of Vedic mathematics, and the trick here says how to multiply any digit with 12. Now you see somewhere it's 6 digit, somewhere it's 7 digit. Now of course if you multiply it by 12, it's going to be time taking. So how you can avoid the time is, the first trick is write 0 in front of all the digits, right? 0, 0, 0, 0. Now the next step. The step goes like this. This unit digit will be doubled naturally. First step is unit digit will be doubled, which is 8. Now when you start from the second digit, it will also be doubled, but here what you will write, double this digit plus sum of this digit of the previous digit. For an example, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is again 8. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Now you see. This I have literally explained it to you, so probably it took 5 to 6 seconds. But if you are good in practice, then you can just solve this answer in merely 2 seconds. Let's try for this one. 8, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4. Now 5 plus 5 is equals to 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So you will not write both 1 and 1 here. You will just write 1 here and carry on 1 with here. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13 and 13 plus 1 is 14, 1, 4, 14. So again you will write 4 here and 1 here. Now 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and again 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is going to be 2. Next, 3 double is 6, 1 plus 1 2 plus 5, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, carry on, 1 plus 1 is 2, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1, 2 plus 2 4 plus 5 6, 4 plus 4 is going to be 8 plus 2 10, 1, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15, 1, and then again it's going to be 6 here. Now 7 plus 7 14, carry on 1, 7 plus 7 14, 14 7 21 plus 1 22. Now 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 7 15, 16 17, 17 and 1. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 3 6, 7 8, 4 plus 4 8 plus 3 11, 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10, 11, and it goes to 4. As easy as that. Well, hi, I'm back again with another trick. So here, as you can see, I have written square of 10 numbers starting from 1 ending till 10. Now the trick here is to find out the square root of any given number. Excuse me. If you have to find out the square root of any number, before starting the square root, I would like to tell you a similarity which you will find in all the digits. Now what is it? When you will see the square of 1, it is 1, and if you see the square of 9, it's 81. That means the unit digit of both the numbers is same. Of course it's a one digit number, so there is no point of unit digit. This last digit and this last digit is similar. 4 and 4, 9 and 9, 6 and 6. You see that the square of these two numbers ends with the same digit. You see the square of this and this number ends with the same digit. So there is a unique correlation between these four numbers intercrossed. 2 with 8, 3 with 7 and 4 by 6. This is the interconnection. Now let's start. Suppose I give you a number here 7921 and I ask you to find the square root of it. So what is going to be the first step? See the unit digit here, check the unit digit and check the unit digit comes in the square of which number. Unit digit here is 1. Now 1 comes in which square? Can you tell me? As we discussed, it either comes in square of 1 or it comes in square of 9, right? So now we have got two options here. It can either be 1, it can either be 9. Now of course we write two digits here. That means the unit digit and the tens digit here. Now leave this thing as it is. Don't touch this thing. Just write the two selections. Now come on to this number 79. Check this 79 is a number which comes between which two numbers. I forgot to mention one step. Whenever you are solving these kind of questions, try to divide the digits. Now how are you going to divide the digits? You will start from the right hand side and you will divide the first two numbers. Then you can continue with 3, 4, 5, doesn't matter. So like here, we divided 21 and then we separately divided 79. It had a reason, because this 21, this one we had here, and this 79 we are going to find out the number which comes. Now see, 79 is a number which comes between 8 and 9. If you can see, it comes between 64 and 81. That which means it comes either between 8 or 9. 8 and 9 here means either in the 8 square or in the 9 square. Now what is the next step you are going to do? You are going to take the product of these numbers. First write like this. 79 is either going to come in 8 square or 9 square. This is going to be the situation. Now do the product of these two numbers. 9 into 8 is 72. 72. Right? Now when you write this thing, be careful. Use the smaller number as the टेंस डिजिट. जब हमने ये पता लगा लिया कि 79 8 स्क्वायर और 9 स्क्वायर के बीच में आएगा, तो हम यहाँ पे प्री डिफाइंड अपनी जो टेंस डिजिट है वो हम 8 लिख देंगे विदाउट थिंकिंग एनीथिंग. अब हमें यहाँ पे यूनिट डिजिट चाहिए. अब हम यूनिट डिजिट कैसे चेक करेंगे? हम 8 और 9 को मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ पे 72 लिख देंगे. नाउ वी विल सी इफ 72, ये जो नंबर हमारा दिया है, अगर ये 72 से बड़ा है, सो नेचुरली वी विल चूज द बिगर डिजिट. If this digit is smaller than this digit, then we will choose this digit. Now it's pretty clear. 79 is bigger than 72, so we are going to choose the next digit, which is 9. So the square root of 7921 is 89. Okay, fine. This is the last trick and this is the easiest. In multiple times you may get such kind of questions and you may have to see that what is the size, because it's a cube, it's a dice. So how will you be able to find out which is the face of which number? So that's a very easy trick. Suppose you have to find here the face of 3. So what you will do, you will check in both the cubes. Is there any number which is common? Here it's 1, 2 and 3. Here it's 2, 4 and 6. So which number is common? 2 is common here. 2. Now what we'll do, we'll choose 2 number from here and move it in anti-clockwise direction. Now if we start from here, so anti-clockwise here would be 2, 3 and 1. I'm talking about this cube. Now we talk about this cube. Of course, when we are going in this direction, so here also we have to move in this direction, which is in the anti-clockwise direction. So now if you write it like this, 2, 4 and 6. Now it's pretty obvious. Both these numbers written in front of each other, they are faces. The face of 1, the number which is facing 1 is 6, the number which is facing 2 is 2. So here, which is the number facing 3? It is 4. So it was just a 10 to 15 seconds problem. So now I hope the concept of 3 tricks is clear to you. Now comes the time where I'm going to frame a question paper for you and you are going to solve it as quickly as you can. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. Take care.